Hemp or industrial hemp is a variety of plant species that is grown specially for industrial uses. It can be used to make a wide range of products. Along with bamboo, hemp is one of the fastest growing plants on earth. It was also one of the first plants to be spun into usable fiber 50,000 years ago. It can be refined into a variety of commercial items, including paper, rope, textile, clothing, biodegradable plastic, paint, insulation, etc. Hello everyone, I'm Mahima Nand, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today, on the series of organic clothing fibers, we are on the third fiber, which is hemp. If you have gone through my earlier videos, we have already discussed about organic cotton and organic silk. Next in line is hemp. Hemp fiber has been used extensively throughout history, with production climaxing soon after being introduced to the New World. For centuries, items ranging from ropes, fabrics, industrial material were made of hemp fiber. Hemp was also commonly known and used to make sail canvas. The word canvas is derived from the word cannabis. Pure hemp has a texture similar to linen. Because of its versatility for use in a variety of products today, hemp is used in a number of consumer goods, including clothing, shoes, accessories, dog collars, and homewares. For clothing, in some instances, hemp is mixed with lyocell. Hemp is classified under the green category of building designs, primarily due to its positive effect on the environment. A few of its benefits include, but are not limited to, the suppression of weed growth, anti-erosion, reclamation properties, and ability to drain soil from poisonous substances and heavy metals. The use of hemp is beginning to gain popularity alongside other natural materials. This is because cannabis processing is done mechanically with minimal harmful effect on the environment. A part of what makes hemp sustainable, it is minimum water usage and unreliability on pesticides for proper growth. It is recyclable, non-toxic, biodegradable, making hemp a popular choice in green building construction. Hemp fiber is also known to have high strength and durability and has been known to a good protector against vermin. The fiber has the capability to reinforce structures by embossing threads and cannabis fibers. Hemp has been involved more recently in building industry, producing building constructions materials including insulation, hemp grade, and varnishes. Hemp made materials have low embodied energy. The plant has the ability to absorb large amount of CO2, providing air quality, thermal balance, creating a positive environmental impact. Hemp properties allow mold resistance, and its porous materiality makes the building materials made of breathable. In addition, hemp possesses the ability to absorb and release moisture without deteriorating. Hemp can be non-flammable if mixed with lime and could be applied on numerous aspects of building, example wall and roof, due to its lightweight properties. Hemp is used to make a variety of commercial and industrial products including rope, textiles, clothing, shoes, food, paper, etc. The bast fibers can be used to make textiles that are 100% hemp, but they are commonly blended with other fibers such as flax, cotton, or silk, as well as virgin and recycled polyester to make woven fibers for apparel and furnishing. The inner two fibers of plant are warrior and typically have industrial applications such as